During deliberations on the OVP's proposed 2025 budget on Tuesday, August 27, Vice President Sara Duterte wanted to, quote, forgo the opportunity to defend her budget, but Marikina Representative Stella Quimbo did not allow her.
Magsasayang tayo ng oras dito, paulit-ulit yung sagot.
That is acceptable to us.
Okay.
Because it is, I believe, karapatan din po ng bawat Pilipino na marinig po nila ang katanungan po ng 17 po na nakalista sa ngayon.
Duterte constantly interrupted Quimbo and accused the lawmaker of allowing Makabayan legislators to make snide comments against her.
I don't recall hearing a snide comment, Madam Vice President.
Duterte then requested Quimbo to be replaced, which Quimbo did not allow.
Pasensya na po, hindi po kasama sa poder ninyo ang pagpa-fire ng presiding officer ng hearing na to.